Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas Padoni and welcome to ESG Knowledge Exchange, a series where we explore practical ESG tools, templates, and implementation resources available on step-esg.com and break them down into simple, actionable insight. Today, we are walking through one of our most practical sustainability tools, the Universal Life Cycle Assessment Template or Universal LCA Template. Now, if you have ever heard the term life cycle assessment and thought it sounded too technical, do not worry. This template is designed to simplify the process and make it much more practical and approachable. Whether you work in sustainability, operations, procurement, manufacturing, ESG consulting, or constructions, this tool helps you measure and understand environmental impact in a structured way using a simple Excel. And if you would like to follow along while watching this video, you can download the template directly from the STEP website using the link in the description below. Before we jump into the template, let's quickly understand what an LCA actually is. A life cycle assessment looks at the environmental impact of something across its entire life cycle. So instead of only looking at manufacturing emissions, as an example, you also consider raw materials, transportation, energy use, product usage, waste and recycling. Think of it as tracking the environmental story of a product from beginning to end. For example, if you're assessing a plastic bottle, the impact doesn't start in the factory. It starts from extracting raw materials all the way to disposal or recycling the bottle. And these templates help you to organize and calculate those impacts in a much simpler way. Once you download the tool from step-esg.com, you will see several worksheets inside the Excel file. The main sections include guide, goal and scope, emission factor database, life cycle inventory, calculations, and results. And the nice thing is that the template followed the same flow as the real LCA study. The guide sheet is basically your roadmap for the template. It explains how the workbook works, what each section does, and how all the sheets connect together. Then we move into the goal and scope sections, which is where you define the foundation of your assessment. Here you will define things like project objective, scope of assessment, functional unit, key assumption, etc. Now, the term functional unit might sound technical, but it's actually very simple. It's basically the reference point for your analysis. Let me give you an example. If you're assessing cement production, your functional unit might be 1 ton of cement. If you're assessing packaging, it could be 1 package produced. And once that is defined, the template automatically helps normalize the impacts around that same unit. This is where things get interesting. The emission factor database is basically the environmental data library behind the tool. This sheet contains all the environmental factors used in a calculation. So whenever you enter electricity usage, transportation data, or fuel consumption, the template automatically pulls the corresponding emissions factor from this database. For example, if your company consumes electricity, the database may contain the CO2 emissions associated with each kilowatt hour used. And what's great is that the database is fully customizable. So if your organization operates in another country or uses supplier-specific data, you can easily update the values. That flexibility makes the template very practical for real-world business use. We move into the life cycle inventory sheet, which is where you actually input your operational data. Think of this as the data collection section of the assessment. So, if your company uses, as an example, electricity, water, fuel, packaging materials, transportation services, all of that information gets entered here. And what's happening behind the scenes is really powerful. Each activity automatically connects to the emission factor database and feeds into the calculation engine. So instead of manually calculating emissions, the template does the work for you automatically. One feature I personally find really useful is the scenario comparison capability, because sustainability is often about comparing alternatives. Let me give you an example. What happens if plastic packaging is replaced with recycled paper? What happens if diesel transportation shifts to electric vehicles or biodiesel? What happens if renewable electricity replaces grid electricity? Instead of guessing, the template lets you compare those scenarios side by side and instantly see the environmental difference. And that becomes extremely useful during ESG reporting or sustainability strategy discussions. The calculation sheet is basically the automated engine of the template. Once your inventory data is entered, the formulas automatically calculate the greenhouse gas emissions, the energy use, water consumption, and waste generation. And finally, everything comes together in this sheet. Instead of guessing, the template allows you to compare scenarios side by side in the results sheet. This is where you can clearly see total impacts, scenario comparisons, environmental hotspots, and improvement opportunities. Let me give you an example again. You might discover that transportation contributes more emissions than manufacturing, or that recycled materials significantly reduce environmental impact. And because the outputs are already structured, it becomes much easier to use the data for ESG reporting, client presentations, or just sustainability planning. Long story short, the Universal Life Cycle Assessment templates helps you, your organizations, to move from assumptions to measurable environmental insight. It gives teams a practical and transparent way to quantify impacts, compare scenarios, and make more informed sustainability decisions. You can find the direct download link in the description below, and you can also explore a variety of other ESG tools and implementation resources on step-esg.com. In our next ESG Knowledge Exchange video, we will continue breaking down practical ESG tools that help organizations move from theory to implementation. See you soon.